In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this DIY Books Read tracker. So your DIY kit will come just like this. It will not include the glue. I've just having the glue here for video purposes to show you what I use. But you will get all of these numbers 0 to 9, and they are double-sided. You'll get 3 of these hooks to attach your numbers. And then you'll get these little pieces here. You can paint, do as you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these out of the way. And I'm gonna move your top layer out of the way. What I like to do first is attach all of these hooks. Be careful not to sand these hooks because they will not fit into the, well, they will fit into the slots, but they will be loose. If you find that you've had to sand it for whatever reason and they are a little loose, you can go ahead and dab some Rapid Fuse into these edges right here before placing them into the slots here. Make sure when you're placing these in that the hooks are facing the right way, and make sure you're doing this on a flat surface, but your hooks want to be facing the correct way so that you can go ahead and place your numbers like so. So once that's in place, then what I do, these will have already been glued together. So I'm going to move this one out of the way for now. Then again, on a flat surface, I'm going to go ahead and align these into the slots and just press them down in there. And then use your glue all this up, and this is going to get glued right on here. And then you can go ahead and add your pieces where they go, and it will stand. It will receive your numbers like so. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can send me a private message. Thank you for your purchase, and thank you for watching.